for the training. You will receive
Ayan siya, Yahoo. Mor-mor kaya sabi ko na. Sabi ko na nga, hindi siya yun.
Passage of the topic of number 127, transferring the PNPA and PNPI from PTSD to PNP, signed by former President Rodrigo Duterte on April 30, 2019. The
Ika
NPI
kasi sabi ko, ay hindi siya yun eh.
and in addition to become the primary training center for professionally competent, morally upright, and technically proficient police officers. PNPI conducts career and specialized courses to its 19 regional training centers in the country and are manned by competent training teams.
Marching in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, are the 805 brave members of PSBRC Batch 2025-0, Class Masandiglan, from National Headquarters and National Support Units.
Hindi naman siya gumagalaw kasi
After months of sacrifices, will be declared recognized.
Sabi ko, hindi siya yun.
One, two, three, four, five.
Ladies and gentlemen, the PSBRC NSQ NSST Batch 2025-01, Class Masandiglan, in regimental formation.
Kalima, ganito, one, two, three, four. Alas yan, alas.
You have just heard the sound of the adjutant's call, which signals the start of the parade in the field.
Bulagoy! Tonton kan!
The adjutant designates the Alpha Company as base company, therefore all other companies align with it.
Apa kata nak dibanyak? Ha?
162 yata ito sila.
Tidak. Ikan ringgit lah. Sana. Dari jenis ini.
Honorary, thank you, and please be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, the movement has come for trooping the line, a time-honored tradition that symbolizes discipline, honor, leadership, and unwavering commitment of every member of service to excellence and public trust.
To render distinguished honor, may we respectfully request our guest of honor speaker, Commissioner of El Vicente R. Calinisan, Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer of the National Police Commission, together with the Chief of ASP Training Center, Police Colonel Jean Ibarra de la Torre, accompanied by Regimental Commanders Police Colonel Omar Robles, the Chief Command and duty on. Ladies and gentlemen, as we witness this ceremonial inspection, allow us to present a leader whose name has become synonymous with faithful leadership, fearless accountability, and transformative public service. A public servant who continues to redefine excellence in governance and law enforcement administration.
Our guest of honor speaker, Commissioner of El Vicente R. Calinisan, currently serves as the Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer of the National Police Commission, or NAPOLCOM, the highest civilian authority exercising administrative supervision and control over the Philippine National Police, appointed by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in April 2025. He carries the immense responsibility of steering institutional reforms, strengthening police professionalism, and ensuring the values of integrity and accountability remain in the core of public service. But beyond the titles and distinction is a man whose leadership is driven not merely by authority, but by
Pagod yung
purpose.
video bro.
Commissioner of El Vicente R. Calinisan is widely recognized for bringing a fresh, reform-oriented, and people-centered approach to governance. He has consistently advocated for transparency, ethical leadership, modernization, and performance-based management within the police organization, believing that true leadership is measured not by power, but by trust earned from the people and the men and women in uniform. Before rising to the helm of NAPOLCOM, he made his mark as Executive Officer of the Quezon City People's Law Enforcement Board, where he courageously handled complaints against erring police officers and championed the rights of ordinary citizens, known for his dynamic leadership, sharp legal mind, and unwavering dedication to public accountability.
Yet, what truly distinguishes Commissioner of El Vicente R. Calinisan is his ability to connect leadership with action. Under his stewardship, NAPOLCOM intensified initiatives promoting professionalism, transparency, and operational efficiency within the police service. He spearheaded organizational reforms aimed at improving leadership standards, reassigned officials based on merit and performance, and strengthened mechanisms. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our guest of honor speaker, Commissioner of El Vicente R. Calinisan, Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer of the National Police Commission.
Nakita niya kaya tayo.
Please remain standing as we all sing with great pride and honor the
Ako
Philippine
nangirit ako
National
kasi hindi
Anthem.
nakakaway. Dalawang kamay na hawak.
Hugay kamay! Now! Kalipunan, mga pinuno, hugay kamay. Now! Rap sa loob!
Performance na guideline.
Go!
Heart formation. Dito, tunda na tayo. Naku, si mama nandun sa dito. Baka mamaya pupunta yan sila dito. Tayo.
Pasulong! Start!
December 2026, December 26, 2025, marked the joystification of the Ministry and Batch 2025-01 of PSBS
Tapos siguro yung dulo ng heart.
and Golden
Yung parang pointed.
ang meeting na sa Liga ng Laring Filipino. It has a total
Siya yung nasa
of
point.
105 aspiring newly appointed police and commission officers came from different regions nationwide and thus possesses heterogeneity of language, culture, religion, and personalities and the like. Aside from their individual differences, this batch is the next in line of police officers of their respective units, namely Special Action Force, SAF, Explosive Ordnance Disposal Internal Group or EODP, Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or CIDG, and the PNP Drug Enforcement Group or PNP. Day, Communications and Electronic Service or CES, Anti-Kidnapping Group or AKG, and Headquarters Support Service HSS, train together for the purpose of becoming a professionally competent, morally upright, and technically completed police officers committed to serve the community.
For the 5 months of hardship and struggle, inside a training center, they successfully and bravely faced all the challenges and surpassed it all as they marked the recognition day. During this stay in this prestigious training center, they learned the value of staying out of their comfort zones and pushing themselves beyond their limits. They might be flattered with the positive compliments and be sold for constructive decisions, yet they just smile and just focus on their vision. That is to carry out their individual purposes, but no matter how high their prices are, they keep to stay on the ground.
History remains as history, but they are a legend. The class chosen are
The Heart Foundation, as a symbol of their gratitude, the brain center for serving the next generation of police officers. National Headquarters National Support Units, Police Training Center produces law enforcers with heart, officers who are motivated and trained to foster a strong bond with the community and uphold citizen-friendly policy as instead to the real world of law enforcement.
However, it is essential that law enforcement set aside personal
Hindi
reasons
na si Mama.
to uphold justice effectively. These trainees as future guardians of law pledge to enforce the law with fairness, integrity, and strict adherence to the code of ethics, ensuring just and unbiased policing.
The heart pumps blood that sustains the life. Keep the body strong and active. In the same way, the Philippine National Police serve as the lifeblood of law enforcement, pumping out both and unwavering commitment to the police service. This heart foundation symbolizes our deep gratitude to the training center, which has molded us into principled and compassionate law enforcers.
With a firm dedication of upholding peace, justice, and public service, the PNP extends its mission with a solid touch of care and unwavering devotion. Through this formation, this class expresses their heartfelt appreciation to all who have guided and supported this journey.
Beyond being a symbol of love and gratitude, this heart foundation also reflects the unity, discipline, and camaraderie that have been strengthened throughout their training. Every member of us must lahi as face challenges, sacrifices, and rigorous preparation together, forming not capable future police officers but preparation, but also a family bond for common purpose.
Going forward in their respective duties and responsibilities, we carry with them the values instilled by the training center: service, power, integrity, and compassion. This formation serves as a reminder that true strength in law enforcement comes not only from authority, but from a genuine commitment to protect, serve, and serve the people with courage and sincerity.
Dear members, trainers, and fellow officers, this foundation stands as their way of saying they're happy, and the love remains steadfast as their hearts will forever belong to class Masanti Lahi.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the PSBRC Batch 2025-01 class Masanti Lahi in their proud formation.
Pupunta doon.
Police Colonel Jim Ibarra na po mo. Chief National Corporate.
Ay, sabi ko na siya. Mataas siya. Yung ina namin. Yung ginawa sa kanya? Open of collar. Hindi natin makita. Ano na? Yung speaker nga, yung nag-open ng collar niya. Buenas ka na lang. Basta ka na lang. Hindi namin
We also request our training staff to proceed to the ground to assist our police officers. The recognition riots. Each side is one of the most significant and defining phases in the journey of police training. It is a momentous occasion, symbolizing the transition from trainees to fully recognized member of the law enforcement community. This event is marked by the ceremonial opening of colors and a powerful emblem of acceptance, readiness, and the long-awaited fist bump or shake hand from the training staff, a gesture of acknowledgement for the perseverance and dedication exhibited throughout the rigorous training period.
Having conquered the challenges, hardships, and countless trials, were tested in physical endurance, mental resilience, and moral fortitude. Las Masindiglahi has now earned the recognition and honor to step forward. As a new generation of police non-commissioned officers, PNCOs, this milestone is not purely ceremonial recognition, but a profound declaration of their preparedness to uphold the law, serve the nation, and embrace the values of integrity, discipline, and public service. As they move beyond the walls of the training and in the reality of law enforcement, these future police officers carry them with them the weight of greater responsibilities and accountabilities. The recognition is of founding today serve as a solemn reminder that the uniform they wear is not just a symbol of authority,
Mga minamahal naming panauhin, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Ito na po ang pagkakataon upang mabati ninyo ang inyong mga anak. Kayo po ay binibigyan namin ng 10 minuto upang mabati ninyo ang inyong mga mahal na police trainings.
Nakakana, di ba?
Let's give them a round of applause.
I-focus mo, ha? Ayun naman, naka-draw naman pala.
Alam mo bang minamahal ko siya? Kahit ako'y mukhang tanga, ay ayos lang basta kasama siya.
Ang galing nga!
Pwedeng sabihin niyo to sa kanya, ang puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano pa ba ang pwede kong gawin?
Naka-drone shot na naman siya.
Sobrang upang maakit siya. Lagi kaya ako nang ito. Ako kung gabi sa puso, mapalaki ng puso sa braso, magdagdag ng wifi belo. Buksan mo sa pasukin ko, wait lang para sa'yo. Ano ang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo?
Hatawin.
papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano ang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin ko na. May tsokolating dala. Ikaw naman ang mag-asa ang puso ko sa'yo. Hindi pa sinunggin mo.
Sana all na lang talaga to.
Pawisan ako pero tuloy pa rin. Lalo kong kumikinang sa gitna ng dilim. Sa bawat iwan mo, malakas ang parang sinasabi mo, sumabay ka na rin. Lumapit ka pa, huwag nang umutat sa sayaw ng mundo. Ikaw ang lakas sa pagkataw mo. Ang gusto sa kamay lang, sumusunod sa galaw mo na.
Manel. Ah, tuwang-tuwa.
Bumagsak ang huling pataw. Dito sa sahig, sabay tayong sasabog. Sa tunog ng disco, wala nang tanong. Ikaw ang reyna ng galaw ngayon.
Enjoy na enjoy si Tudok.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Patuloy! Start!
The Chief NHQ NHQ's Training Center Police Colonel V. Ibarra de la Torre.
Hindi ko na makita.
Together with the air and fire staff are giving honor to present to you the skills demonstration of public safety basic readiness course batch 2025 01 class Masantig Lani. The new breed of police officers of this proud institution has not only possesses the knowledge, ability, values, and discipline.
Ah, yun pala siya.
They are practiced for a number of reasons, defense, military, law enforcement, non-violent exercising ceremonial, competition, physical, mental, and spiritual development, and to preserve and conjugate curriculum and hybrid all knowledge. The term martial arts was originally used to refer to the retreaters of East Asia, but has subsequently been applied to other practices which originated outside that region. Karate history. Karate was originally brought to Okinawa from China. It was then brought to the Japanese mainland in the early 20th century during a time of cultural exchanging between Japan and removed two islands following his annexation of Japan in the 19th century. Yuto Furukoshi was invited to Tokyo to give a karate demonstration, and in 1924, Taiyo University established the first karate club in a Japanese university. By 1932, many Japanese universities had karate clubs. After the Second World War, Okinawa became a United States military base, and karate became extremely popular with the servicemen based there. As interest in karate became worldwide, karate masters migrated to Europe and America in order to popularize the art. Karate was further popularized in the West during the mid to late 60s with the advent of martial arts films. The most popular film star around at that time was Bruce Lee, who inspired many to take up a martial art. Alan Shogun, translating to peaceful mind, works
Saka ng TV.
is a inaugural Kata in the first 5 Island series, for the foundation of Japanese style karate. It is typically the required kata for the 8th red belt examination in some dojo of the belt-color barriers. This kata is crucial for introducing and developing the Koshotokan concept Shonan, means square facing, and Hami, side facing.
National Support. National Support Unit Training Center had been observed in every site. His medical merit is training leader. His training level is training leader. His medical lesson is training water from the South Province. His medical lesson is training Dennis from Biliran. His medical lesson is training Hernandez from Pangasinan. His medical lesson is training Divino from Quezon Province. His medical lesson is training Java from Cagayan de Oro City. His medical lesson is training Kumay from Negros Occidental.
Ladies and gentlemen, the proper aim marching band, led by Police Master Sergeant Luis Donald Lonapiso, conductor.